Hi! I'm so excited to share these beautiful rainbow colored dishes with you guys. They are microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and freezer safe. And they come in all these amazing colors that I know I personally love, but my kids are so excited about these. They come in all the colors of the rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. I absolutely love the vibrant colors that these plates come in. Also, dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. They're made out of amazing material, and I can't wait to see them on my shelf. I really hope you guys enjoy these plates as much as we do. And I hope that they just bring you just a little bit of joy today.